I'm going to show you today how to make this dancer silhouette collage. Our main supplies that we will be using are colored tissue paper, including a bright green, some hot pink colors, various shades of pink, a lighter pink, as well as that darker pink color, and some printed examples of dancers in various sizes. Today we will be able to kind of layer them on your canvas using a glue and water mixture to create this beautiful piece of artwork. I just start out with my blank canvas, and then the next step is to find various images that you would like to use. We've chosen some different silhouettes of dancers, which means that it's just the basic black outline here that you can see. And then a really nice lettering design with the heart and the words dance within there. Now that my watercolor painting is almost dry, I'm going to simply take my silhouette and I can kind of decide where I might want to place her within my artwork. Once I kind of have down where I'd want her to be, then what I can do is I can add in an empty container, I'm going to just add a little bit of water to a glue mixture. So I'm going to just squeeze in just regular Elmer's glue. You don't need a whole lot of glue, but you definitely don't need that much water. So just a tiny little bit of water, just enough to kind of make that glue mixture kind of more liquidy. As you grab a paintbrush, you can then take this glue mixture and paint both the back of your printout with this glue mixture and the canvas. So once I kind of paint the back, I'm also going to just flip it over and do the same thing on this side to smooth out my design. So again, take that paint mixture. This acts like a Mod Podge. It's just a cheaper way to make your own Mod Podge, and I actually kind of prefer it a little bit better. I think it sticks, makes things stick a little bit better. I'm gonna just smooth out my brush strokes, smooth out any air bubbles I might have in my silhouette. The other thing that I'm going to do with this is because I wanted some brighter pinks and some brighter greens, so I actually took tissue paper and kind of cut out different heart shapes in green, different heart shapes in pink, and different kinds of pink, 3 different kinds of pink there. And I just cut out some basic kind of square shapes as well. I'm going to kind of put my square shapes down as a background. I'm going to just paint my tissue paper on there. I'm just using my glue and water mixture to get my tissue paper to stick on there. You can even tear tissue paper, kind of create some different effects with the torn tissue paper. I want to kind of create my base first, and then after I have my base on, then I can go back over top and add some of those details. So I'm kind of thinking about my tissue paper and the way it will kind of emphasize my dancer. I'm just going to place another heart kind of in the upper corner. So kind of have fun with it. You can place the hearts wherever you want. You can even change the shape of them. I'm trying to find a good spot for this one, how it kind of connects to my other heart that I have here. And the top of this page. I think that's a good spot for this heart. I think I want to cut some of my hearts actually a smaller size too, to get a different size on my artwork. Cut with my tissue paper my hearts to be a little bit smaller. Kind of create a different interest here. Green one. And then once this dries, or as this dries, I can continue to add other images. I have this same image cut out in 2 different sizes, so you can kind of play around with and decide kind of how you would like things to look, and where you would maybe want to put them within your drawing, or within your painting. This one might be kind of cool down here. And then as I wait for this to dry, I can add another layer of paint if I want, or I can choose to leave it. Maybe you like the look of the tissue paper, and then you can go over Sharpies with it, and take a Sharpie once this is dried and add lettering to it. I think I really like the colors that this pink and green are giving me. I like it a lot better than the watercolors that I was getting, so I think I'm going to leave it.